165 FPS for PUBG, but I haven't even figured out 144 FPS yet. Now it's 165 FPS, all for just $2,399. I got the lowest spec OnePlus S6T. Let's look at the design. The screen is 6.83 inches with a resolution of 2800 by 1272 and a refresh rate up to 165 Hz. It has a metal frame and glass back. My unit's color is shadow green. The back feels super smooth, no greasy fingerprints. For performance, it's equipped with the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 processor. This one I have is the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version. It has an 8,300 mAh battery and has 100-watt charging. Running system version 16.0.1.306. Benchmark in performance mode scored 2.99 million points, surpassing 73% in the same category. Gaming, HD and balanced settings support 90 FPS. Smooth settings jump to 165 FPS. We'll use 165 FPS, confirm, and turn on esports mode. We've enabled esports mode. Touch control set to ultra-fast touch. Brightness to 94. Starting off, the room temperature is 23.3 degrees. This year, the folks upstairs didn't pay for heating, so it's not that warm in here. Alright guys, let's jump straight into the game. Let's get my little niece set up too. Wow, 165 FPS. This is my first time hitting that. When I shake it around like this, it feels super smooth. No issues at all. Let's just jump in. Look at that green. No fluctuations at all. 51, 158. Passing through the clouds, give it another flick, 146. Alright guys, they've already landed. Not too many people here. Let's head in right away, guys. Let me see how many people. 20 people, 163, 155. Alright, hey, there's another guy. Let's take him out first, 136. Done. Now let's capture this low frame rate, 140 FPS. Now there are 21 people left. The frame rate keeps jumping around. Man, it's really green on my end. No worries, let's head back right away and get it done, guys. Alright, now I'm jumping into the second round. Frame rate is at 155. 48, 143, landing directly. Let me see if that guy's here. There's a Max over here. Finish him off right away. Has anyone else been knocked, guys? Hey, there's one here. Nice. Confidently holstering my gun on this one. Okay guys, we're just going to play for 18 minutes. Let's check the phone. Why is it exactly 51.1% battery and there's 9% left on battery 85? Let's look at the average, 132.4. We're recording this whole match directly, so what's going on here? After you play for a while, it locks at 90, then it's fine again, locks at 90, then it's fine again, locks at 90, then it's fine again, locks at 90, then it's fine again. It's just like that. So after my overall experience playing PUBG at 165 frames, I have to say, it really is awesome. When playing, I didn't use a cooling fan. As soon as it heated up, it locked at 90, stuttering. With 1080p at 165 frames, it heats up fast. To play smoothly, you need a cooling fan. Without one, like my case at 10 minutes and 23 degrees, it locks for a bit, then fine, locks, then fine again. How's PUBG performance for you?